So here we go then, the next phase. Almond white going on the walls.
Hello! You're doing the walls?
Yes. Cutting in with the same colours we used last time.
I'm sure it weren't the same colour. I know we did this colour upstairs, but hey ho. It's obviously the perfect colour, isn't it? Oh. Ah.
Yeah, doing the 2 coats around the top, cutting in.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can't finish it because I'm still waiting on stuff because the person who planned it didn't plan it. Just went ahead and did it without getting everything in place. Which is what I keep saying, but nobody listens, do they?
No.
No, too
We just
impatient.
We just have to start.
You are too impatient.
I am. Well, needs to be done ready for the tree to go up. Because it's soon be Christmas.
Yeah, we ain't doing that rubbish, not this year.
Huh. Right then, we'll leave you to your cutting in.
Yep.
Au revoir.
Bye.
Ciao.
Bye.
Arrivederci.
Go on.
Okay, bye.
So, that's me cutting in all done, and next, rolling the walls. Can't do that wall yet because there's lots of changes to be made and we haven't got the bits. Well planned. Well, that's the cutting in done a couple of times, and yeah, as you can see, it's getting late now. So that's about me done for today. Gonna do the walls tomorrow. It'll be interesting to see how this paint fares up. I don't think I said, but the wife has bought matte paint this time. Now, I'm not a big fan of matte, I'll be honest, because I think it shows every single mark if you touch it or graze it in any way. So it's going to be interesting to see how it stands up. But yeah, she wanted matte. So matte is what is on the walls, and well, I've left everything up to her this time. So I'm just the decorator, so what do I know? Anyway, yeah, like I said, that's the cutting in done. I've got a lot of work to do on that far wall there, so I can't really do anything to it at the moment because I've got to channel the walls, and you'll see how it all pans out in the end. Wife's got these crazy ideas, I just do it. So I'm just going to, I think tonight, take the blinds down, and I've cut in around here, painted that bit, but I obviously need to do up the top and down that side now, so the blinds have got to come down. Should have took them down already, really, but yeah, that's such a pain in the backside. I left it till last. Right, so let's get that done, and then you'll join me again tomorrow, I guess. So the one advantage about getting up at 6 in the morning is you get to put a coat on the walls before anybody's about. And when it's nice and quiet. So there you go, first coat on the walls. Yeah, the colour doesn't look any different because it isn't, but it's matte, so it's different. Anyway, right, so that's the first coat. It's going to need at least 2, probably even 3. But then most of it's done. And I can get the glossing done because the bulk of it is obviously on that door and on those doors and around the skirting boards. But as I keep saying, not a lot I can do with this end at the moment because we're waiting for bits to turn up. Because, yeah. Right, that'll do for now. Right then, that's had an hour to dry. Time for the second coat. First one ain't looking too bad actually, but it does need the second one, definitely. And now for the bit I hate the most. But first, a bit of hoovering. Go me! Oh, go me. Yeah, this is the bit I really don't like doing. Glossing. Don't mind anything but glossing. Glossing just, it's horrible, messy. Right, let's get on with it. Tape's down. Let's go. You just gotta love a bit of cutting in, haven't you? You really have. Nice.
Hello.
No.
On your knees.
Yeah, praying.
Praying for divine intervention.
Praying for a day I haven't got a gloss.
Oh, that'll come as soon as you're finished. God, I don't know, I've looked white. It must have been really dirty.
It hasn't been done for a while.
It's been a few years, hasn't it, to be fair? Crumbs. Oh, it stinks in here.
Yep. That's the joys of gloss paint.
Yeah, yuck. Oh, maybe you want the door open a bit. Let the fumes out.
Maybe.
Yeah. Okay, well, we'll leave you to your glossing, shall we?
Oh, thanks.
That's all right.
Take over then.
Would you like me to take over?
No, I remember when you did it before.
Yeah, we ended up with curtains and drips everywhere, didn't we?
Yes.
Yeah, so I had made a mistake though, hadn't I? I had bought paint that wasn't non-drip. When me and Nathan bought that can, we made sure it said it.
You can get by without non-drip.
Well, you can,
Just
but
got
it's
to be careful.
easier with it though, isn't it? All right, we'll leave you to it.
Bye.
Bye.
And there you go. The glossing's done. Stinks. But it is done. Yeah, it's pretty good paint, the Dulux stuff. I think it's covered pretty much in one go, so yeah, happy with that. Only bit I'm not happy with is that wall, but in time you'll see what is in store for that wall. I don't even know, so it'd be a surprise for me too. Right, that's it. It's a Sunday and I've really had enough now. Catch you later. Look forward to the next one.